name is Angeline Pardo and I recently took an Amadeus class, which is one of the course as a tourism student at STI College, Batangas. So in Amadeus, you will learn the different IATA codes of the country and how to book a flight from the segment cell to the names, to the contact details, and the ticketing details as well. I have a professor friend from the school that I came from and he literally told me na mahirap itong subject na to. So ang expectation ko talaga dito is ito yung isa sa magiging balakid ko ngayong college. And hindi ko siya kayang iwasan kasi kailangan ko talaga siyang i-take as a tourism student. So my expectation came to reality when I finally enrolled this course and nagsimula na akong umattend ng class. So lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na if ever hindi ko kayanin yung schedule ko this semester and ibagsak ko tong Amadeus, nandun na kaagad ako sa thought na mababagsak ko tong subject na to kasi sa mga nadidinig ko sa paligid is sobrang hirap niya talaga. And parang tinanggap and kinlame ko na din sa sarili ko na if ever hindi ko kaya tong subject na to is ititake ko na lang siya next school year. And then first meet namin sa instructor namin which is Sir Miko de los Reyes. Tumaas kaagad yung anxiety level ko. Kasi he looks so intimidating and I don't know how to break the ice. I don't even know how to crack joke. Kasi nung nag-start na siyang mag-call one by one about sa travel and dream destination namin, and sabi niya, bawal daw magkapares yung country ng isa't isa. Sabi ko, hala, paano ba yun? Nasagot na yung South Korea. South Korea ang gusto kong puntahan. Tapos, wala pa siyang reaction sa bawat sagot ng mga classmate namin. Sabi ko, hala, feeling ko strict to si sir. Pero as time goes by, I knew I was wrong when I finally and when my class finally get along with Sir and masasabi namin na napakagaan ng subject na mahirap kay Sir Miko de los Reyes. So kapag nag-uusap kami ng mga friends and buddies ko ngayong college na kasabay ko din na nagtitake ng Amadeus class is masasabi namin na sobrang galing ni Sir mag-deliver ng informations kasi nakikita lang kami once a week for 5 hours and sa 5 hours na yan, nakocontain namin lahat ng knowledge and information na kailangan namin. Sometimes na the-drain ako, nababurn out ako sa life, sa work, sa study, lalong-lalo na ngayon. Pero never kong naisip na absent dito sa subject na to. Kasi alam ko na sa isang absent na yon, madami mga information ang mawawala sa akin kasi bawat discussions and lectures ay mahalaga. And masasabi ko that the professor far exceed my expectation sa personality niya, sa attitude, and most especially sa kanyang pagtuturo. So we all can say that he is an effective instructor. So the things that I did to survive this course is to just go with the flow, get along with the subject, with the class, kayanin, and tanggapin yung pagkukulang and pagkakamali ko as a student. And dun sa pagkukulang at sa pagkakamali na yun, it doesn't mean na dun ako matatapos, that I will end there. Because at the end of the day, I always try my best to try. Kasi sabi nga nila, try until you succeed. And I think yun yung naging motto ko dito sa pag-take ng subject na to. And with that, I am loud and proud na if ever I will have a chance to teach Amadeus, I can teach Amadeus confidently. Taking this subject, na-feel ko sa sarili ko na isa akong extraordinary person. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman lahat kayang mag-book ng flight. Hindi lahat alam yung meaning ng ganito, ng ganyan, most especially sa mga IATA codes, sa mga codes na kailangan gamitin kapag magbubook ng flight. And marunong na din ako magbasa ngayon at umintindi kung ano ba yung mga transactions na nangyayari sa system. Amadeus is very beneficial, helpful, and essential for tourism aspirants like me who plans to work in the travel industry because mostly this system allows passenger to book their flights and travel. And mas maganda na student ka pa lang is meron ka ng knowledge about this system para hindi ka na mahirapan in the corporate world. And my advice for tourism students who will be taking Amadeus in the future is, though it might sound and look challenging, hindi ka matututo kapag wala kang challenges na tinitake, mahirap, oo mahirap. Pero ibang level of fulfillment and accomplishment ang mafe-feel nyo kapag natapos nyo tong subject na to at naintindihan nyo kung paano siya nag-work. And I hope na ma-share nyo din yung experience nyo while taking this subject for the tourism aspirants para ma-encourage sila dito sa subject na to. Again, this is Angeline Pardo. Thank you so much.